So to remove the hard drive, you just simply remove these two Phillips screwdrivers. I'm just using the kit that I got with one of the iPhone screen repair kits that I got a while back. After you do that, you simply pull this tab here. It comes right up. Be careful when you pull out this cable here. Alright, so I went with Otherworld Computing. I got the 1 terabyte replacement drive. So let's open this up. Just an invoice. Alrighty, here it is right here. Alright, so I'm going to transfer over these here onto the new hard drive, and also this tab here. Alright, so to transfer this over, I'm just using a little Allen wrench here. It's 0.05 Allen wrench. It fits right inside if you don't have that special screwdriver. Alright, so let me just plug this baby back in. Alright, so when you turn it on, you want to hold down Command R to boot it into recovery mode. You just hold it down until you see the loading screen. Alright, so it's gonna restart. Let's restart the computer. We'll let it automatically restart. Alright, then there you have it. The OS X is installed. I'm gonna go ahead and update it. So that's gonna take another process, but at least my computer works now. So stay tuned. I'll be making more videos now that I fixed my computer. In case you haven't, please subscribe, like my videos, and stay tuned for the next one. Alright, peace out.